when you are working with division, you have four components. You have the dividend, the divisor, the quotient, and the remainder. The dividend is the number to be divided. The divisor is the number that divides the dividend. The quotient is the answer you get after dividing the dividend by the divisor, and the remainder is what is left. So when you want to solve division as repeated subtraction, what you do is you subtract the divisor from the dividend until the remainder is 0. What does that mean? You have a number you want to divide, then you keep using the divisor to subtract the dividend until you get 0. Let's do some examples to understand this concept. If you have 20 divided by 5, you can use repeated subtraction to solve this. You remove 5 from 20 until you get 0. Take note, your knowledge of skip counting will help you to solve this question. Take note also that the number of times you do this subtraction is the answer you're looking for. So for example, you have 20 divided by 5. So we're going to subtract 5 from 20 until we get 0. We have 20 minus 5 will give us 15. That's 1. 15 minus 5 will give us 10. That's 2. 10 minus 5 will give us 5. That is 3. And 5 minus 5 will give us 0. That is 4. That means 20 divided by 5 is 4. Now, what if you have 30 divided by 6? We can still use repeated subtraction to do this. We have 30 and we're going to remove 6 from it until we have 0. So 30 minus 6 is 24. That's 1. 24 minus 6 is 18. That is 2. 18 minus 6 is 12. 3. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4. And finally, 6 minus 6 is 0. That is 5. So what's the answer of 30 divided by 6? That is 5. How did we get that? We kept subtracting 6 from 30 until we got 0, and that is 5 times. Okay, so we have 16 divided by 4. We're going to be using repeated subtraction to do this. So we're going to be subtracting 4 from 16 until we have 0. So stage 1, 16 minus 4, that will give us 12. That's 1. 12 minus 4, that's 8. 2. 8 minus 4, that will give us 4. 3. And finally, 4 minus 4 is 0. 4. So the answer of 16 divided by 4 is 4, because we did that 4 times. And finally, 33 divided by 11. We use the repeated subtraction method. So let's subtract 11 from 33 until we have 0. 33 minus 11 is 22. We have 22 minus 11 will give us 11. 2. And finally, 11 minus 11 will be 0, and that is 3. So 33 divided by 11 is 3. We did that subtraction 3 times. In this lesson, you've learned how to use the repeated subtraction method to solve division problems. These exercises will help you practice this concept. So keep on practicing until the next class.